Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we will demonstrate the operation process of an EPS manual bagging machine in detail. First, the PE packaging bag needs to be manually opened and placed on the bag extension mechanism. Then, step on the machine button to completely open the bag. Next, the push plate mechanism will start moving forward. The stacked EPS foam products on the working table will be pushed into the open PE packaging bag. Finally, the sealing knife mechanism quickly pressed down, firmly sealing this bag mouth and completing the entire packaging process. This machine is more suitable for small size foam packaging pieces that cannot using the full automatic 6-side EPS packaging machine. Now, let's take the whole process. For more information about EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or leave your comments below. I'll see you next video.